Do-it-yourself CAN gateway software for integration of TopTronic E devices manufactured by Hoval Corporation into your home automation system. Hoval Corporation offers some interesting solutions for indoor climate control in your home. This includes various heat generators such as heat pumps, connections to the district heating network, comfort ventilation devices with heat recovery, and much more. The latest generation of these devices is based on TopTronic E controllers developed by Hoval. To connect these devices to your own home automation system, Hoval offers two interface modules: Hoval Connect Modbus and Hoval Connect KNX. Unfortunately, they are quite expensive and not well suited for all application scenarios. Therefore, I've developed my own solution: CAN Gateway software. This is primarily aimed at those who set up their home automation themselves and do not use complete commercial solutions. CAN Gateway software can be run on a compatible microcontroller board. I call this solution in total simply CAN Gateway. It means that CAN Gateway is a connection between Hoval TopTronic E devices and your home automation system. CAN Gateway software also enables mobile access via special Android or Windows app, so that you can check the status of your Hoval TopTronic E devices and also control them while you are out. Moreover, CAN Gateway software can record all data to a microSD card in order to use them later for error analysis or optimization of your control system. How does it work in details? Hoval TopTronic E devices have a CAN interface through which they communicate with each other and, for example, also with Hoval control modules. CAN Gateway can access this CAN bus and thus also read out the data from Hoval TopTronic E devices or control them. CAN Gateway software includes many communication protocols that are typically used for home automation: MQTT, REST API, KNX IP routing. You can use these protocols to connect the CAN Gateway to your house control, either wirelessly via Wi-Fi or wired via Ethernet interface. Which microcontroller boards are compatible or recommended? CAN Gateway software basically runs on an ESP32-based microcontroller from Espressif company. There are many prefabricated modules with this microcontroller and the necessary electrical interfaces on the market. Hobbyists can use them to build a suitable microcontroller board for themselves. This is described in detail on our GitHub page. Another alternative is an ESP32 development board from Olimex. This board is quite suitable for our application. It has an Ethernet interface, a CAN connection via screw terminals, and a slot for a micro SD card. Olimex also offers a version with an external antenna and a metallic housing. The simplest and recommended solution is a CAN development board from WLED Shop. This board has all the necessary interfaces: USB interface, Ethernet interface, CAN connections via screw terminals and via RJ45 plugs, a slot for micro SD card, dip switch for CAN termination. There is also a suitable housing for mounting with screws or on a top hat rail. Another advantage: you can install the CAN Gateway software on this board with just a few clicks without any ESP32 specific knowledge. That's it for today. Good luck with your next do-it-yourself project. For more information, please visit our GitHub page.